I'm Chris with Tactical Aviation. Section 107.15 requires the remote pilot in command to perform checks of the unmanned aircraft prior to each flight to determine if the SUAS is in a condition for safe operation. SUAS maintenance includes scheduled and unscheduled overhaul, repair, inspection, modification, replacement, and system software upgrades of the UAS and its components necessary for flight. Whenever possible, the operator should maintain the SUAS and its components in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. The aircraft manufacturer may provide the maintenance program, or if one is not provided, the applicant may choose to develop one. The SUAS manufacturer may provide documentation for scheduled maintenance of the entire unmanned aircraft and associated system equipment. There may be components of the SUAS that are identified by the manufacturer to undergo scheduled periodic maintenance or replacement based on time and service limits, such as flight hours, cycles, or calendar days. All manufacturers' scheduled maintenance instructions should be followed in the interest of achieving the longest and safest service life of the small UAS. If there is no scheduled maintenance instructions provided by the SUAS manufacturer or component manufacturer, the operator should establish a scheduled maintenance protocol. During the course of a pre-flight inspection, the remote pilot in command may discover that the small UAS component is in need of servicing, such as lubrication, repair, modification, overhaul, or replacement, outside of a scheduled maintenance period, as a result of normal flight operations or resulting from a mishap. In addition, the SUAS manufacturer or component manufacturer may require an unscheduled system software update to correct a problem. In the event such a condition is found, the remote PIC should not conduct flight operations until the discrepancy is corrected. It is highly recommended that the maintenance be performed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. However, if the operator decides not to use the manufacturer or personnel recommended by the manufacturer and is unable to perform the required maintenance, the operator should consider the experience of maintenance personnel familiar with the specific SUAS and its components. In addition, though not required, the use of certificated maintenance providers are encouraged, which may include repair stations, holders of mechanic and repairman certificates, and persons working under the supervision of those mechanics and repairmen. If the operator or other maintenance personnel are unable to repair, modify, or overhaul an SUAS or component back to its safe operational specification, then it is advisable to replace the SUAS or component with one that is in a condition for safe operation. It is important that all required maintenance be completed before each flight, and preferably in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions, or, in lieu of that, within the known industry best practices. Let's look at a common FAA exam question about maintenance. What actions should the operator of a small UAS do if the manufacturer does not provide information about scheduled maintenance? A. The operator should contact the FAA for a minimum equipment list. B. The operator should establish a scheduled maintenance protocol. Or C. The operator should contact the NTSB for component failure rates for that specific SUAS. B. The operator should establish a scheduled maintenance protocol. Thank you, and I'll see you next lesson.